Hey guys, I got another video for you. It's quite, I don't know, it might be a long or might be a short. By the way, I do have the Zentorno. I'm just gonna not use it for this one. Yeah, and this is my brother's account, so he has been playing it longer than me, so he has everything better than me. Yeah, but he has another character which isn't better than any of my characters. But yeah, so we're going to be doing how to get a plane online, probably, and a helicopter and a boat in one video, hopefully. Sorry about the background, my washing machine is on. So yeah, he lets me use this really cheap car. So to get a boat, we'll do a boat first. You go to this point on the map. Okay, I'll do that again. There. Right there could be like anywhere along here. This like part. So this is how to get a boat online, because it's really easy offline. Yeah, I can't be bothered to get that bounty. It's only 1,000, but yeah. So let's go. It's quite fast, this car. Not as fast, not my favourite car. I prefer the Zentorno. But yeah, of course, we don't have money like major people. Major people usually have like a bill, 1 million, always have 1 million, like Louis, I don't know how to say the second one, part of his name. But then I like H3Delarious, he's one of my favourite. I like Vanos, he's one of my favourite. Nogla, I like. These are all YouTubers, by the way, cool. Watch Vanos Gaming, H3Delarious, all of them. They'll leave a link in the description. I won't leave a link in the description because I'm not quite sure how to do it yet, because I've only just started doing YouTube. By the way, don't go down there because you could damage your car like I just did, and then you blew up my car. Okay, see, I'm at this point on the map. Get out your car, and most of the time you'll see them, not them, them, and them. Okay. This is how you get a boat. Well, not a proper boat, but sometimes the proper boat spawns in next to the white one. They're not always in that like order of colours, and yeah. Okay, I'm going to try and do that jump. Done. I'm not going to try doing that. And then you could drive on land for a bit in these. Okay, let's just go back to my car. By the way, we don't have the minigun or anything. We're only a level 42. But we will be ranking up. This is my channel. My brother might be setting up a YouTube channel. I don't know if he is going to. There always will be, every time, most of the time, has always been 4 there. But sometimes they might not spawn if you're like a level 2. Okay, let's resume that. Tell me if my camera isn't right, because I'm using my phone. So yeah, I might pause it sometimes, because yeah, as you heard the creak, Did you hear the creak? Okay, let's get out of the gang attack area. Okay, this is how to get a helicopter. Helicopter online. It might not spawn in. So, I'm not a very good driver. No, we don't need you, Simon. On story mode, this is where you can get a boat and a helicopter. And the helicopter online, you can usually find one online here. But if you can't, you can go to the airport. I actually don't. The only way to get a plane online, I don't know if I should do it or not, because it will take a while to get there. You need to drive to Trevor's Airport, or sometimes there will be a plane spawning in. Please don't kill me, dude. No, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Hey. Where's his name? Can you put in the comments below what his name is? And then I can... Here's a helicopter. Wow. Okay. If he bothers me again, guys, I'm gonna take him out. I just scared him off. Scared him off using the RPG. So hopefully he won't mess with me again. Ooh, no, wait. Yeah. Try get this bounty. What is he doing? What? Who shot me down? Okay, if that guy's in the helicopter shot me down, I'm going to kill him. Because that is literally the only way to get in the airport, to get in with a car or a helicopter. No, he's not there. Sorry guys, I didn't realise he would kill me. Yeah. This is how to get blame. What? Bro. Darn it. Shotgun flashlight. Turn it on. Flashlight. Big flashlight is on. What? Oh, flip. Ha. What is he doing? He's bouncing and he's going up to the sky? Wow. I hardly even see him. I can't even see him. Wow. Wait, what? I think he might be coming down. Okay, I'm just gonna press my vehicle real quick. That means he's back, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. Can you even see the screen? Guys, tell me if you can, tell me if you can't. Please, can I get like 10 likes? Yeah, 10 likes. Come on, guys. That's fair. No, 5 likes. 5 likes. That's fair. I'm just gonna try to kill this guy, as he hasn't been nice. 7,000. No one's sending bounties on me. Thomas, come on. Saka. See you later, Saka. Okay, this is one way how to get in the army base. It's not the only way. Where do you go? Yes. Done. Wait. No, I didn't mean to do that, guys. I usually press X in anger, but this is where to find a plane. I will have to end the video because it's a bit too long, but bye.